Baddies, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and cash stuff my second check for the month of October. So before I go ahead and set my budget planner to the side, I just want to walk you through it here. So this is my weekly paycheck. So I was paid $3,000 from my business and $1,500 from another business. So that's $4,500 income. Here's all my bills, my variable expenses, my subscriptions. That leaves me with $2,553. We are going to make a $1,000 student loan payment. We're going to invest $1,000 in our brokerage. Both of those are highlighted because those are done online. And then we're going to go ahead and do our sinking funds, and that leaves us with a zero-based budget. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do here today is pay our bills. So I have my bills in here. So let's go ahead and add to mortgage. So the mortgage, we're going to put $1,325. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $1,325. So total in here we have, sorry if y'all hear Pinky snoring in the background, he stay tired like he work a full-time job. 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 2,600. 2,620, 2,640, 2,650. So $2,650 in our mortgage envelope. Up next, we have electric, which is going to get $50, which gives us $100 in that one. Water, same thing. And last up here, we have gas, which is getting $50 as well. Okay. So after those, we are moving to subscriptions, which is going to get $70. So we're going to go 20, 40, 60, 70 here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 121, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. So we have $140 in subscriptions. Up next, we have lawn care. This one's going to receive 65. So 20, 40, 60, and 5. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 125, 6, 7, 8. So $128 in there. Y'all, Pinky is really tired, okay? T-Mobile is going to be receiving $40, so that gives us $80 in here. Wi-Fi will be receiving $25 as well. And if you're new here and this is your first time watching, no, I do not pay my bills in cash. I deposit this money on the first of the month, and all my bills auto draft as normal. So that's $50 in Wi-Fi. Let's see, trash is going to receive $13, I'm sorry. 10, 11, 12, 13 in trash, which gives us 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $26 in our trash. Security is going to receive $38. So 20, 30. We're going to do 35 and 40 because I don't have any more ones. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78. Okay, and up last here we have self-lender, and that's not getting anything this go round. Okay, up next we're going to do our variable expenses, and I'm only stuffing 2 today. We actually just got gas, so I don't need to do gas, but I do need to stuff groceries. I'm going to do 150 in groceries. And the only other one I'm stuffing is Help a Human. Everything else I'm going to charge on my credit card because it's just a lot going on. So the only debt I really have left is student loans. I have a balance of $32,308. Can't pay it in full until I close on my mortgage, but we can make some payments towards it. So here's my student loan binder. Today, I'm going to be, let's see, I'm going to be working on loan number 6. So this loan balance is $479.38. The interest rate is 5.05 on it, and it's an unsubsidized loan. I'm actually going to pay the whole thing today and plus some. So for my student loans, because I do it online, I'm just going to use these 2 placeholder slips. I would, but because this one will now be paid in full, I'm going to put fully funded in there, and I'll color those in later. I didn't grab any markers, so that loan will be paid off. Since I'm putting $1,000 toward loans, $479.38. I'll have $520.62 left. So that's what I'm going to pay towards this next loan here. So for today's payment on 10/10, we're going to do $520.62. And that will make our balance on this loan $8,933.09. Okay, so that's how much we still owe. And since we're paying $520.62, we're gonna divide that by how much each one is worth. So today we only get to color in one spot anyway, so we'll color in one spot later. I'm just gonna go ahead and put in a $500 slip. I don't have smaller ones, but I know in my head that it's $520. I'm gonna go back here to the first one and just write in that payment for 10/10. We're gonna do $479.38. And the balance is gonna be 0. So that one is paid. So I only have 5 student loans left. This one's really the biggest. The rest are much smaller, but I'm gonna knock them out. Next, let's work on our high priority funds. Okay, so our high priority funds. So first up, we're going to add to our emergency fund. We're gonna add $25 today. So there's 20 and 5. So in here now we have 100, 200, 3, 4, 500, 550, 570, 590, 610, 630, 650, 670, 690, 700, 710, 715 in our emergency fund. Next up, Christmas will be receiving $20. So in here we have 100, 200, 300, 4, 500, 6, 7, 8, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 920, 40, 50, 960, 961. Fund. Medical is going to be receiving $40. So 20 and 40. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800. Okay, so for Black Friday, we have, let's see what we're adding today. We're adding $100 in here today. So now we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,050, 1,070, 1,090, 1,110. I'm tripping. And Black Friday, pots and pans is fully furnished. Patio furniture is going to receive $50 today. Sam's Run is going to receive $100. So it now has $200. Our fridge, nothing. Couch is going to receive $100. So you have $200 in there. Rugs is going to get 20. Y'all, rugs are so expensive. So we have 120. Vacuum is going to receive $20. Pinky. So in vacuum, we have 20, 40, 60, $70. Our washing machine is going to receive 20 bucks today. And the same for the dryer, $20 for that one. So we have 120 in both of those. And hot tub's not getting anything today. Priority funds. And the only one we're adding to today is find life insurance. Here, okay, life insurance is gonna get $38, which is just 40. So in here now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520, 40, 60, 80, 600, 620, 40, 650, 655, 6, 7, and 8. So $658 in life insurance. This is saving up to just pay the premium a year in advance. So that's all we're putting in there. We are going to add money to our October savings challenge. So in this one, each bat is worth $20, and I set aside $80 to do this. So 20, 40, 60, $80. And I'll color my bats in after this video. Oh, but our total in there now is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. Okay, so that's it for our October challenge. And so left over, and remember this $1,000 is going towards my brokerage. So I have a little bit extra, and I think I just put too much money. So 20, 40, 50, $65. I may change and I may have done it incorrectly. But that's it. That's everything. So if you see here, I was paid $4,500 for income. $1,947 was expenses. $1,000 went to debt payments. $553 to our sinking funds, and $1,080 to savings and investments, which leaves me with $0. So that zero-based budget is complete for the week. And I will see y'all next week. Bye.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head, from the past to future play.